Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Sioux County in south-central North Dakota until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Shields, or 30 miles north of McLaughlin, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Solon, Porcupine, and Standing Rock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for south-central North Dakota.